I'm back with another video, and today I'll show you how to prepare crab. The ingredients: crab, tomato, garlic chives, garlic cloves, green chili, dry bamboo shoot, and salt to taste. So I've already washed the crab. Now I'll separate the legs so that I can grind it later. I've already removed the leg. Now I have to remove the lower part of the crab shell as it doesn't taste good. Now I'll grind the crab legs and extract the juice out of crab leg. So this is the juice I extract from the crab legs. Now I'll grind the green chilies. Adding a little bit of salt. So now I'll start preparing the crab. So I have to put the crab in the pan and roast it for a while in a low flame. So in the meanwhile, I'll chop the garlic chives. And also grind the garlic cloves. As you can see, the color has changed into reddish. So now I need to add the extract juice from the crab legs. Green chili. And tomato. I need to cook it for a while. It's been cooking for almost 15 to 20 minutes. So here I can see that it's almost cooked. Now I have to put the dry bamboo shoot. And garlic cloves. I have to put this garlic chives to garnish it. We are done cooking, and this is my crab recipe. This is how it looks when it's cooked. Now let me taste and see. Oh my god, it tastes really good. Thank you for watching.